This is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very easy to use. And you can see all type of short drama clips which you can watch, movies which you can watch. And all you have to do is look for what you want. At the top you can search as well for what you want. And you can also see the trending movies or short drama clips which you can watch as well. So it's all up to you and what you want to watch. So if you go in the For You section here, you can pretty much also see short clips of movies. You can either see the first episode and maybe you like it. You can also tap on the down here where it says episode. You can check out all the episode that it has. Do keep in mind, you're going to need subscription or coins to unlock these episodes. Some of the episodes, not all, but some of the episodes you're going to require coins to unlock them. So if we go into the reward section here, you can get free coins just by using the app each day. As you can see here today, I can just tap on this coin option here and I get 20 coins, which I can use to unlock a episode. Episode costs around 6 to, I think it's 100 coins, but I'm not 100% sure about thereabout. In the profile option here, you can also purchase coins if you don't want to go through the rewards option. Tap on refill at the top here, you can go ahead and purchase coins, as well as subscription, which allows you to unlock all episodes, all series, pretty much everything as relates to short clips on the episode. You won't have to unlock anything. You can just watch it for completely free if you do purchase the subscription. And it does tell you how long the subscription will be available for free for. Some, as you can see here, weekly, you'll be able to watch anything for free for 7 days. And top option here, which is monthly subscription, which is everything for free for 30 days. So it all depends upon what you want, guys. And well, you'll pretty much see in the minus section here, all the movies that you have saved, and also all the movies that you have watched on the application in the history section here. So very good application as it relates to drama movies that you want to watch. And if I miss anything at all, just comment below and let me know. I'll see you in the next one.